10th class Maths Part First, Lesson number 4, Financial Planning. Practice set 4.1. Question number 1. Pawan Medical supplies medicines. On some medicines, rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Rate of CGST and SGST are same. Rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST and it is half of the rate of GST. If we divide the rate of GST by 2, then we get rate of SGST and rate of CGST. Therefore, we have rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2, and here we have given rate of GST 12%, therefore 12% upon 2 is equal to 6%. Therefore rate of CGST and rate of SGST are 6%, it is half of rate of GST. Question number 2. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? Rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST and rate of GST is equal to rate of SGST plus rate of CGST. Therefore, we write here rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST, and here we have given rate of CGST 9%. Now rate of GST is equal to rate of SGST plus rate of CGST, that is 9% plus 9% is equal to 18%. Therefore our answer is rate of SGST is 9% and rate of GST is 18%. Question number 3. MS Real Paints sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. We know that rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2. Now we have given taxable value of 1 tin is equal to rupees 2,800. Therefore taxable value of 2 tins is equal to 2 into 2,800 is equal to rupees 5,600 is taxable value. Now rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2, and here rate of GST is given 28%. So 28% upon 2 is equal to 14%. So rate of GST is equal to 28%, and now rate of CGST and rate of SGST is equal to 48%. Now we have to find the amount of CGST. amount of CGST and amount of SGST are same. Amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST is equal to, now taxable value into rate of CGST is 14% is equal to taxable value is 5,600 into 14% means 14 upon 100. 0 0 will cancel, is equal to 56 into 14. So 56 into 14, that will be rupees 784. Therefore, amount of CGST and amount of SGST are rupees 784. Now example number 4. The taxable value of wristwatch belt is of 586 rupees. So we have given taxable value is equal to rupees 586. Rate of GST is equal to 18%. Rate of GST is equal to 18%. Now we have to find the amount of GST on this value. So we write amount of GST is equal to taxable value into 18%. And here taxable value is 586 into 18 upon 100. And if we calculate this value, we get rupees 105.48. This is amount of GST. Now we have to find the price of the belt for customer is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now taxable value is 586 and GST is 105.48, and its addition will be rupees 691.48. This is our answer. Now question number 5. The total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is rupees 1,770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value, CGST and SGST for this car. Now we have given here total value is equal to rupees 1,770. Now we know that total value is equal to taxable value plus GST. Therefore, taxable value is equal to total value minus GST. Now let amount of GST is equal to rupees X. Therefore, taxable value is equal to total value is 1,770 minus GST is X. This is rupees. Now rate of GST is 18%. Rate of GST is equal to 18%. Now amount of GST is equal to taxable value into 18%. So GST is always on taxable value. Taxable value into 18%. So amount of GST here we have taken as X. X is equal to taxable value is 1770 minus X into 18% means 18 upon 100. Therefore here 100 into X is equal to, multiply this 18 in bracket, 18 into 1770 minus 18x. Therefore 100x plus 18x is equal to 18 into 1770. Therefore 118x is equal to 18 into 1770. Therefore x is equal to 18 into 1770 upon 118. Now calculate this value. If we calculate this value, we will get 270. Therefore amount of GST is equal to rupees 270. Now we have to find the taxable value. Taxable value is equal to what is taxable value? Total value minus GST, that is a 1770 minus 270 is equal to, it will be rupees 1500. It will be taxable value. Now we have to find the CGST and SGST. So amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST is half of GST is equal to amount of GST upon 2 is equal to 270 upon 2 is equal to rupees 135. Therefore our answer, taxable value is equal to rupees 1500 and CGST is equal to SGST is equal to rupees 135. This is our answer. Number 6. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. Number 1, rate of SGST. Now we have given rate of CGST 14%. we have given rate of CGST is equal to 14% and rate of SGST is to be find out. Rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST. Therefore, rate of SGST is equal to 14%. Rate of CGST and rate of SGST are same. Therefore, rate of SGST is 14%. Number 2, rate of GST. So we know that rate of GST is equal to rate of SGST plus rate of CGST is equal to 14% plus 14% is equal to 28%. Therefore, rate of GST is equal to 28%. Now number 3, taxable value. So we have to find the taxable value. We know that total value is equal to taxable value plus GST. Therefore, taxable value is equal to total value minus GST. Let amount of GST is equal to rupees X. Therefore, taxable value is equal to total value, what is given here, rupees 51,200 and amount of GST is X. So taxable value is 51,200 minus X. Now we have to find the amount of GST. Therefore, amount of GST is equal to taxable value into %. Rate of GST is 28%. Therefore, amount of GST we have taken here as X is equal to taxable value is 15,200 minus X into 28 upon 100. Therefore, 100x is equal to, now this multiplication, 28 into 51,200 minus 28x. This 28 on the left side it will be plus 28x is equal to 28 into 51,200. Therefore, 128x is equal to 28 into 51,200. Therefore, x is equal to 28 into 51,200 upon 128. Therefore, x is equal to, if we calculate this amount, then it will be 11,200. Therefore, what is the x? X amount of GST. Therefore, amount of GST is equal to rupees 11,200. This is amount of GST. Now we have to find number 3, taxable value. So taxable value is equal to taxable value is equal to taxable value 51,200 minus x is equal to 51,200 minus 11,200. Therefore taxable value is equal to 40 rupees, 40,000. This is our taxable value. Now number 4, total amount of GST. Here we have given total amount of GST. We have calculated 11,200. That is our answer number 4. So total amount of GST. Total amount of GST is equal to rupees 11,200. Now number 5, we have to find amount of CGST. Amount of CGST. Amount of CGST is equal to amount of GST upon 2 amount of GST upon 2. So amount of GST is 11,200 upon 2. So it will be 5,600. Amount of CGST 5,600. And number 6, we have to find amount of SGST. Amount of SGST is equal to amount of CGST. Amount of SGST and amount of CGST are same. So amount of SGST also rupees 5,600. Therefore here CGST 5,600 and therefore here SGST is equal to rupees 5,600 is our last answer. Question number 7. Prasad purchased washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. Here we have given printed price rupees 40,000 and discount is 5%. So we have to calculate the discount on 40,000 rupees and then that discount we have to subtract from this 40,000 rupees. Then it will be taxable value. On taxable value GST is at 28%. So we have to calculate the amount of GST, that by multiplying the taxable value by 28 upon 100. Now if we add this GST in the taxable value, then we get the purchase price of washing machine. And if we divide the amount of GST by 2, then we get the amount of CGST and SGST. Now let's solve this example. Printed price is equal to rupees 40,000. Now we have to find discount. Discount is equal to 40,000 into 5 upon 100. So that will be rupees 2,000. Now let's find the taxable value. Taxable value is equal to printed price minus discount is equal to printed price is 40,000 minus 2,000 is equal to rupees 38,000 is our taxable value. This is taxable value. Now we have given rate of GST 28%. So rate of GST is equal to 28%. From this find out amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to taxable value into 28%. Taxable value is 38,000 into 28 upon 100. If we calculate this, then we get 10,640 rupees. Therefore we get here amount of GST is equal to rupees 10,640. Now let's find the purchase price. Now purchase price is equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value plus amount of GST is equal to taxable value is 38,000 and amount of GST 10,640, so that will be 48,640. Therefore we have purchase price is equal to rupees 48,640 . Now we have given we have to find amount of CGST and SGST. Amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST is equal to amount of GST upon 2, and the value of amount of GST is 10,640 divided by 2, so it will be rupees 5,320. Therefore our last answer, amount of CGST is equal to rupees 5,320 and amount of SGST is also rupees 5,320. This is our last answer.